Welcome back. Opening scene. The Ford Model T, known as the Tin Lizzie, is one of the most iconic vehicles in automotive history. Introduced by Henry Ford in 1908, it revolutionized the car industry and forever changed the way people viewed transportation. The Model T's significance goes beyond its mechanical design. It's the car that made automobiles affordable and accessible to the average American. Before the Model T, cars were luxury items only the wealthy could afford. Ford's vision was to create a car that could be mass-produced, reliable, and inexpensive. The Model T did just that. It was initially priced at $850, which was quite affordable for its time, and through innovations like the moving assembly line, the cost of production dropped significantly, bringing the price down to as low as $260 by 1925. The Model T wasn't just affordable, it was practical. Its simplicity in design made it easy to repair, and its durability meant it could handle the rough roads of early 20th century America. It featured a 20-horsepower engine that allowed it to reach speeds of up to 45 miles per hour, a remarkable achievement for its time. Its high ground clearance made it perfect for the unpaved roads, and it was also adaptable, available in a variety of body styles including a touring car, sedan, and even a pickup truck. Beyond its practical features, the Model T had a cultural impact. It made it possible for people to travel farther, quicker, and with more freedom than ever before. It contributed to the expansion of the American suburbs and was a symbol of the growing middle class in the United States. Ford's use of the assembly line to mass-produce the Model T set the standard for manufacturing efficiency and influenced industries worldwide. By the time production ended in 1927, over 15 million Model T cars had been built, making it the best-selling car in history at the time. Today, the Ford Model T remains a symbol of innovation and a milestone in automotive history. Its legacy lives on, reminding us of a time when a simple, reliable car made the impossible possible for millions of people.